Hey guys, Drew here with Phoenix Transmission Parts. What we have here is our 68 RFE super heavy duty billet triple disc torque converter. This is found in your 07 and a half up Ram trucks, 2500, 3500 series, with the exception of your AW applications. So, first things first, let's start with the billet front cover. This thing weighs a ton. I do not need to get any kind of workout in today, but this is your billet front cover, which is the weak link on your factory style converter. This billet front cover will not flex under a load, especially if you're hauling a heavy load. If you are adding power like a lot of us do with a tuner, anything like that, this will keep from flexing, and that's important because these are your lockup frictions. And note, this is our what we call triple disc lockup. You'll see there's 1, 2, 3 high energy carbon frictions that will actually lock up to the front cover vis-a-vis our dampener. So this one comes with a dampener. What's the reason for that? That's for a smoother lockup. This is for guys that haul a heavy load that are mostly highway drivers. Not a high performance setup, but can handle the high performance. We do offer a damper-less application for those looking for a racing setup. I want to move along and point out this one comes with a factory style what we call a fluid multiplier, also known as a stator. We use heavy duty bearings on either side of the stator, and that takes me to eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's talk about the turbine. The turbine is the part that splines to your input shaft. So guys, when considering something like this, you'll also want to consider our super heavy duty billet 300M input shaft. We offer a couple of them. I take that back. We have a couple for the 48RE. This is a 68 RFE. We do have a billet input shaft for this application, which would then be your next weakest link. So this has a brand new turbine hub, and these are furnace brazed from the factory, but if you look closely, you'll see that we actually go in and TIG weld them for added strength. Moving right along, this is what we call your front pump. A lot of guys get that mixed up, but your front pump has the impeller on it. The impeller actually turns the front pump of your transmission. So this is your what we call the pump side of the torque converter. And if you look, we've actually gone in and hand TIGged every one of these vanes because they see a lot of, I want to say, torque and force. This is very crucial to keeping this thing solid and stout, especially when you're making well over 1,000 pounds of torque. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We're at 877-782-5582. You can also reach us at 727-541-0269 or visit us online. Our website is www.ptptrans.com. It's a mouthful, but it's Phoenix Transmission Parts Trans.com. PTP Trans. Look forward to seeing you.